Hyderabad was swamped on Friday as heavy rain battered the city, resulting in everything from flooded eateries to pickup trucks being swept away. Between 8:30 pm and 11 pm, the city received 10 to 12 centimeters of rain, resulting in flooding in many low-lying neighborhoods, with water seeping into their houses in several locations. 2 individuals have been reported missing after being carried away by strong currents in low-lying regions, according to the authorities cited by the news agency ANI. The internet have been flooded with videos of individuals seated at a cafe in Old City with their ankles completely submerged in floodwater. A number of other videos posted on social media by locals showed vehicles stopped along roads, floating and being carried away in places where the currents were stronger.
right